Hello and thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a couple of easy, quick DIYs that you can do using items from the Dollar Tree and creating a high-end look. The inspiration piece for this first item is a Christmas tree that is from Pottery Barn. I'm using some spoons from the Dollar Tree and I'm just breaking off the handle of the spoon, and I'm going to be using those to create this tree. So once I have all of the spoons broken, I'm going to be taking them out and giving them a coat of spray paint. I'm using this gold metallic paint by Krylon, and I'm just going to give them a nice little coat on the front and the back. Now the inspiration piece had lights in it, but since I can't do that, I'm going to be adding a little bit of glitter just to the rims of the spoons, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. Now I found this cone shape at Hobby Lobby when they had them 50% off, but you can certainly use construction paper or some cardstock from the Dollar Tree to create your cone. So what I'm going to do is put some glue on the backs of the spoons and begin to put them around the cone to create the tree. Now this process is really easy. The key is just to make sure that you are layering the spoons and covering all of the cones so that it does not show. And here is the finished tree. One would never know that they were spoons. Once it all gets put together, it looks very, very pretty. Now, of course, you can do this in any color you want to meet your color scheme. It took about 2 packs of the spoons to create this look with this size cone. Super, super easy and very, very quick, but really, really cute. Now my next DIY project inspiration is from West Elm, and it's this glass bulb with the gold. So I'm taking the Dollar Tree clear bulbs. I have some metallic paint that I already had on hand, and I'm just going to mix that with a little bit of baking soda because the ones from West Elm did have a little bit of texture in the paint. So to create that texture, I'm using some baking soda mixed in with my paint, and I'm just going to begin to paint the bottom of the bulb. Now I did find that I didn't really like the color, so I did mix another gold color that I already had on hand in with it to create the desired effect, and then I can begin the painting process.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will.
And this is the finished bulb. You can see the texture in the paint, just like my inspiration piece. I really love the way that it turned out, and it is the right color that I wanted for my decoration. So I really did like that. Here's a side-by-side look of my inspiration piece and my piece. Now my next project, I had a little helper here, and this is super easy. I just simply used some Mod Podge on the ornament, and once we did that, we just rolled the ornaments in some glitter, and that was all she wrote here. So my little helper is putting the Mod Podge on, and then we're going to roll it around in the glitter. Eventually I took over this part and just poured the glitter on to escalate the process, but it's super easy to do this. Now while my helper was doing hers, I decided to create one using some crushed glass. Same process, put your Mod Podge on, and then I poured the glass on, and this is the finished look of that. I added also a little bit of sparkle to it, glitter, to create a more high-end look, and I put a piece of Dollar Tree ribbon around the bulb to remove the hanger that comes with the Dollar Tree bulbs, just to elevate the look a little bit. But I really love the way that it turned out. And then we had one in the gold glitter, just plain Mod Podge and glitter. Roll it around in there, let it dry, put a coat of Mod Podge on top to seal the glitter, and that is it. Now the final look was a clear bulb from Dollar Tree, and we took a little bit of Mod Podge and poured it inside, and then gave it a good shake so that it completely coated the inside of the bulb, and then poured the glitter on the inside of the bulb, and I love the way that it turned out. So you'll see in a moment how it came together. Here we go. Giving it a good shake to make sure that the glitter completely coats it, and it just has that ever so faint shimmer to the bulb. So pretty. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button, the subscribe button if you're not currently subscribed. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you are a returning family member, thank you so very much for stopping back by. I do appreciate your support. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.